This video is going to go over the assembly of the 89-inch couch, starting with twisting on the legs of the couch and pulling out that couch cushion that is hidden in the pocket of each of the armrests. This build took me about 20 minutes total. I did it on my own, and the instruction booklet was really helpful with really clear instructions. There are a few metal latches here that went into place pretty easily for me, and then this is just a twist on extra back support. These latches went in no problem, and then this back has a sliding latch, and it lined up perfectly, so no issues there. There's a few Velcro pieces just to give you a nice finished look, including this one, which is a long fabric piece with Velcro on the top and the bottom, and I found that if you put the Velcro directly on top of the black bar there and on the bottom, it just gives you a really nice finished taut look. This was really satisfying and fun for me to do. From there, you're going to open the vacuum sealed couch cushions, and you'll notice that on the bottom of each couch cushion is a Velcro piece, and that will match the spot it belongs on the couch. I thought that was a really great feature because I've got 3 kiddos that love to move on the couch, and so this will just help keep all those pieces in place, which is really great. I thought this build was really manageable. I enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward to spending some time on here with my family. This is great.